Start by folding the cardboard guide. Then insert the bottom of the mud flap into guide and position to determine mounting screw locations. Use a self-drilling screw with washer to attach the mud flap at the first upper location. Then level mud flap. Next, install self-drilling screws at remaining locations. Secure screws with nuts. Determine shape of the stabilizing bracket and use locking pliers to bend as needed. Use a self-drilling screw to drill a hole in the mud flap, then remove screw. Insert screw with washer from opposite side, through stabilizing bracket, and secure with nut. Adjust stabilizing bracket and attach to the vehicle, then secure with hex nut. Repeat the process for remaining mud flaps.